Hey guys, how are you all? I hope you are doing well. I'm doing great too. My name is Laxman and I'm a village boy from India. You already know that I'm a video creator and my goal is to show the real lifestyle of Indian villages to people all around the world. I have just started this journey and I know that I still have a lot to learn, understand and improve. One of the most important things for moving forward is upgrading my video equipment. Without good tools, it's very difficult to grow and take the next step. So today, to improve my videography and create better content, I have ordered some essential equipment. This will help me make higher quality videos and give you a better viewing experience. Now, let's do an unboxing and see what I have received. I'm making this unboxing video for a special reason. One day when I become a successful YouTuber, I want to look back and show others how I started my channel step by step with passion and hard work. I hope this journey will inspire others and show them that if I can do it, they can do it too. At first glance, these may look like very small and simple pieces of equipment, but their importance is huge. Only a true YouTuber can really understand their value. No matter how talented you are or how hard you work, without these basic tools, no YouTuber can grow properly. I'm not saying you need big, expensive, high-end cameras to become a YouTuber, but some small and essential equipment is absolutely necessary. These little tools make a big difference. Now let's see what inside this big looking package. I think it might be a large camera stand, but I'm not completely sure. I ordered all these items online at different times, so even I've forgotten what's inside each parcel. Everything arrived together yesterday, so today I'm doing the unboxing and recording the video as well. You know, whenever I order something online and open it for the first time, I don't know why, but it makes me really happy. There's a special kind of excitement in unboxing. To be honest, the stand quality is not very great, but it is quite tall and it works for me. I have just started my YouTube journey and my budget is very limited. So I ordered this equipment according to what I can afford right now. Step by step, as the channel grows, I will slowly upgrade to better gear. Everyone starts somewhere and this is my beginning. As a small YouTuber, I can honestly say that even small achievements feel like big happiness. But more than success, it is the small moment of this journey that bring me the most joy. Learning new things for YouTube, ordering new equipment, unboxing it, getting upset when views don't come, and celebrating when they do. This entire journey makes me happy. This journey itself means more to me than the results. I want to share one more thing about myself so we can build a strong connection. I currently work in microfinance, but this is not something I want to do for my entire life. My real dream is to become a YouTuber. In India, microfinance work usually starts around 6:30 in the morning and goes out until 8 at the night. Because of this long schedule, I don't get much time to work on YouTube. So today, during my duty hours, I came into the jungle with one of my staff members and decided to do this unboxing here. I don't know if my decision is right or wrong, but one thing is clear. Very soon I want to leave this job so I can give more time to YouTube. I want to create better content and give you at last 5 minutes of happiness through my videos. This is not just content for me, this is my dream in progress. So friends, as you can see, I ordered several items, unboxed them one by one and tested everything. All of this equipment is perfect for my budget and it's already made me feel more confident. With this new setup, I am even more excited and motivated to create better content for you. Trust me, very soon you are going to see many amazing and meaningful videos on this channel. This is just the beginning. Thank you for being part of my journey. Let's grow together. So that's all about today's vlog. Before ending this vlog, I just want to say thank you from my heart for watching till the end. To be honest, this channel is all about showing the true side of India, village culture, daily life, traditions and real stories. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Your support really motivates me to create better content every day. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss my upcoming village life vlogs. And please comment below and tell me where you are watching from. I would love to connect with people from different countries and culture. Thank you so much for your love and support. See you in the next vlog. Take care and stay safe.